Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn on or off the ability for Gmail to automatically show you images or load the images in emails when they are received by you. I show you guys how to display images automatically in Gmail. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to click on this setting icon and select see all settings. In here you just need to scroll down. In images you can set always display external images, or you can set ask before displaying external images. You can select this option if you do not want to display images automatically. After changing it, you just need to scroll down and select save changes option to changes take effect. And that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.